How to change Outlook profile picture. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on this video we will see how we can change Outlook profile picture. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up any web browser in your device. Here I'm going with Google, and on the search bar search for Outlook. Once you search for it, you will have multiple search results. From there you can open up the link that says Outlook login and tap on it. After that, once you're on this page, you will have sign in button. Tap on it. Again, tap on sign in button. If you have already provided your login information, you will be directly login. If not, you might have to log in with your Microsoft account. Once you get in this page, now navigate to top left corner and tap on the three line icon, that is the hamburger icon. Now from this menu bar, scroll down a bit and then tap on settings. Under settings, again at the top, tap on account option. Here tap on the first option, that is view account. After that, you will get to this page. Here scroll down a bit, and if you have already uploaded your profile picture, you will have an option to edit or change. But if you like to add a new photo, tap on add a photo. If you like to change, tap on change button. Now from here, tap on add a photo. Now from your gallery, you have to choose a picture. Once you're done, tap on the done button from the top right corner. After you're done, simply tap on save button from your bottom right corner, and with that your profile picture will be changed on your Outlook account. And that's how you can change Outlook profile picture. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.